Alright, anyone that has the 2018 Tundra with the LED headlight system knows that the blinker bulb sucks with the headlights on, even without the headlights on. So we went to Amazon and found these bulbs and replaced our factories. Removing them and installing them back was pretty easy, especially if you have small hands. No issues there. The new LEDs are slightly longer, as you can tell, but it was no big deal going back into the housing. As you can tell, the comparison between the two was very, very obvious. Here you have the factory bulb. And one of the new LED bulbs. So the big issue we were having is when the headlights are on, nobody can see us signaling. So that's the factory. The new LED. Go to Amazon and pick up the LEDs that you like. So far we have no hyper flashing. Thanks for watching.